Hey guys, so in today's video we're going to learn how to make a 2 times 2 Rubik's Cube. So the first thing that you have to do is the basic move that you're going to move. Right, up and left. If I say like an apostrophe, you have to move the mouse the opposite way. So instead of like this, you move it like this. Okay? Now, how to make the Rubik Cube? First of all, you have to make the white part. So all the white parts have to be facing on the same side. It doesn't matter the side where it is because there's no middle. So, and what you have to do is to put all the pieces normal like this, and then in some cases you can't do it, but in other cases you can. Like in a case like this case you can't do it because later it will spoil this. So you have to put this color with the same color. If the white piece is up, you can't do it, but it always has to be here. And then you have to do this. You move right, you move up, and then right down again. Now, in this case, since it's up and it's in this side, you have to do it like this. Left, you move it up, and then left again. So now you put it like this with the same color, and you move it like this. The same step. Now, since you got the white part, and you have to do the yellow part. If there are two sides, if there are two edges, like here, you have to look for an edge that is here, and you have to put it on your left side. And then you have to do this step. Right, up, apostrophe, right, apostrophe, up, apostrophe, R, U2, that means you move it twice, and then right apostrophe. Now, if there's no squares up, you do the same thing. Right, up apostrophe, right apostrophe, up apostrophe, right, up 2, right apostrophe. Now, if there's one edge here, you have to put it on your left down part, like this, and then you do the same process again. Once you get the yellow part done, you have to try and make this. If you see two parts which are the same color together, you move it with its color like this, and then you have to do this step. Left apostrophe, up apostrophe, R, no, right, up, left, up apostrophe, right apostrophe. Now, right, up apostrophe, right apostrophe, up apostrophe, right apostrophe, up 2, and R, right apostrophe. That's it, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you.